Hi-ho, EDCI 705 candidates, the Goldsboro doctoral interns, coachees, dissertation advisees. Hi, gals. How are you? I hope, again, you're drying out, those of you down east, and the school's in session soon, if not already. It is week 5 in our fall course, and you are to be working and reading about your dissertations when you can. Booton and Ravitch and Riggin are the readings this week, and the idea of a conceptual, a critical conversation with a colleague, thinking and working through the ideas of can you operationalize that. The chart in the Booton text on page 70 is a good one. At any rate, last we talked, Leader in Me, something about substitute teachers, Janet, and math, something? I don't know, Natalie. We're still percolating with ideas and trying to focus down on what it is that we want to do. Can you operationalize it is a neat way to think about, okay, so if these are my research questions, and let's try to nail down what is your topic and what are some research questions, then what methodology am I going to use to try to answer those questions? Is it a document review, looking at test scores and stuff? Is it surveys? Well, here's a little table that might give you some suggestions, but if it's surveys, who are you surveying, when, how? If you're interviewing, if you're conducting focus groups, how and with whom? And then should, in a table like this, be able to line up the research question with the methodology, the way you're going to answer that. If you can't operationalize it, if you can't find a way to make this action research work in your school, then guess what? You need to change the research questions or go back to stage 1 and shift the focus a little bit so that you can operationalize it. So have a professional conversation with a pal. Natalie and Jody talk to one another. Janet, find someone to speak with, and have a work through a table like this. Can you operationalize and answer your research questions? Would you be able to do this? Is it doable? So create a matrix based on the conversation. Is there a theoretical framework driving your dissertation? Yes or no, why or why not? Leader in Me, it's the Covey stuff. Post your draft of topic, post a draft of your topic and potential research questions. Continue the dialogue here in this post, please. What are you thinking about? What are your research questions? Show me a matrix. How might you be able to answer your research questions with surveys, interviews, document analysis? What is your research method? Great. That's it for this week. Again, I hope you're drying out. And as I responded to some of you, if we don't have an opportunity to Zoom, and I can Zoom lots of times if you want to talk, I'm back in Goldsboro on October 13th and 14th, and would love to schedule some time with you then. 13th and 14th. Breakfast, dinner, after Saturday afternoon conversation. Let's talk in Goldsboro if it's convenient. Thanks.